my name is Sergey, also known as Gektor from Walkera Fans, Germany. And today I'm at the Walkera booth and I would like to present you the newest Walkera models. So the first one and the most interesting model is the X350 Ultimate. Everything is new about it. You have the new modular system. Everything in here is about modularity. So you have this new flat, really small flight controller and receiver and ground station system. You also have this module, which is a camera module with 5.8 GHz downlink. So you unscrew the mushroom antenna and you just remove the whole camera module, which has a flexible 4K camera. You can shut down and turn on the recording with the SD card slot up here. Then you can also remove the battery, which is the same battery as a Scout X4. I will show you later. It's 6S battery, and the motors are also the same as Tali and the Scout, and they have 500 kV. It also has a brand new GPS system. It's an U-Blox U8 GPS, which also works with Russian GLONASS satellites, so you have double the accuracy on the GPS with it. Here we got a model which is completely assembled, and I could turn it on and show you the color panel. You see here, as I turn on the radio, the indicator shows the radio signal is okay, and after some time all the signals go on. So you have a status lamps for GPS, for barometer, for compass, and you have also an LED for needs calibration. So it's just, this model is roughly the same as this model, it's only smaller. Yeah, you know, it's the same propulsion system. You can also remove the landing gear and replace the landing gear, so you have a higher landing gear, and then you can put the same camera as this one with this 3D gimbal to this, and you can store it easily with this. So it's all about modularity, and even inside of this model it's modular, so you can remove, I don't know if you can see this, but you can unscrew the stop plate and then you can remove this whole board just by clicking it out, and then you can exchange a motor and an ESC by removing them and putting them together. So it's really serviceable. And another new thing about it, so you have this ground control station. So you can put your iPad or your Android device in it and control it with it. But you can also control it with this, and it's simultaneous control. So you just start with this, and then you flick a switch and you fly with this, and then you flick the switch again, and then you fly with this again. So it's safe, you know. In Europe we need to be able to take the control with this, to fly manually. If in case this crashes or has a problem, we need to take control with this. So it's possible right now. And then Walkera will update all the GPS modules in all the models with a new GPS module, which is also supporting the GLONASS satellites. You see, now we have all the lamps here on. It's just all the status lamps are okay. We can go and fly. It's a 360 gimbal. It rotates 360 degrees all the time, and there are no wires in it which hinder it doing this, and it can rotate 360 degrees too here. It's absolutely 360 degree gimbal. It's called G3DH. And it supports GoPro camera and also the iLook camera you've seen there.
Does the GoPro need additional transmitter for the FPV?
it will need additional transmitter. Walkera has new transmitters there. They already have lots of transmitter, but this is the new one. It's really lightweight. It's made of aluminum. It's called X350, and it comes with this mushroom antenna. So the older transmitters had a rib antenna. Yeah. And you already know the Scout, I think. So the Scout is a quadrocopter which is really powerful. I'm a pilot myself and I fly it all the time, and if I go full throttle it goes like hell. So it's really powerful. But if you want to put a larger camera on it, it needs more power. So what do? You don't need to buy a new copter, you just can buy this. It's an X8 upgrade kit, and it contains 4 new motors. So you have 8 motors in total. So you have 4 motors, and then you have longer legs and 4 new ESCs. You need to solder this to your copter, and this has 4 propellers which are upside down. And in the end you will have, in the end you have just like this octocopter. And this octocopter is able to carry the new 3S gimbal for the Sony camera. It's a G3S, and it weighs with a camera around about 600 grams. So it will fly a little bit less than with a GoPro, but it will carry a large camera. We are Walkera pilots. We are Walkera fan club from Germany, and we constantly tell Walkera how to improve their products. Okay. And they listen to us. They listen to us. They listen to users. They constantly improving, and we have a large community which of the users who are telling how to improve, and they listen to everything and they do everything to satisfy the user. So I think it will be a great year. I'm really happy to fly this because I love the Scout, and this is the same as Scout, but it's a small package, and it will be like really fast and really powerful and really easy to repair and to exchange things on it. And it's really good because you can use it for fun, FPV flying with small landing gear. It will not flip out at landing, and then you can purchase a large landing gear, and then you can use a gimbal with it like this, and you can do your regular filming, and then you remove the gimbal and you do your fun flying.